Yeah, hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. This is going to be a quick video. I had this sent to me to try. It's in a package, it's round, I think you can figure out what it is. Let's get it opened up here a minute, then we'll get on the machine. Then over the next few weeks I will do a what I think video. The company that sent this to me is Racing Powersports. They're out of Dripping Springs, Texas, and they sent this to me to try. So, and obviously it's an Uni filter. If I can get it up there for you, Uni. And the part number is, let's see if it's got a part number on there. Doesn't really show a part number, but it said it fits Sportsman Ace all 2014-18 Rangers 570 EFI and that. So Ranger EU EX and all the way up. So we're gonna first thing we do, we're gonna compare it and the flanges. And everything looks like it'll work on there. By the way, this is the original filter off my machine. I kept it, there's nothing wrong with it. I kept it for a backup. But when you're using these things, I'm going to tell you right now, because these are a performance air filter, you got to keep up on your maintenance. This has a big foam cover on it. And there's another foam insert, and it's like 3 layers of filtration. So this is from, like I said, they sent me an instruction sheet. Warning, failure to oil properly will result in engine damage. So they tell you to oil it. And they give you foam filter oil, cleaner, and all that. Well, I got all that covered. So, and but anyway, it's oh, here's a part number right here. The part number is, I'm going to use the, put it right up there for you so they read it off. There you go. When you're using these things, just make sure you do them right, oil them up, and everything else. So, in a minute here, I'm going to get off camera and I'm going to oil this up, then we'll get going here. So we'll get with you in a few. Okay guys, what we got to do here, put this in, take all the clamps off. This thing got dusty. I got to wipe her down. Okay, take that one off, take the cover off, put that out of our way for now. And I did find some stuff to oil up the filter. I'm actually going to have to look up and get the their stuff, but it actually has a oil on it, so right out of the bag. So okay, I looked out there. Okay, here's the stock filter. We're pulling out right now. Here comes the high performance one that we're going to be installing. Work him in there. And like I say, don't use these if you're not comfortable, because if it's done wrong, it's not going to be good for you. I'll put that Uni facing up a little bit here. It installs fairly easy. I figured I'd get a little more protection with all these with all the filtration on it. You can see it on my hands, the oil. So shiny there. Another good reason to have this on there is it's a cleanable filter now. You're spending, I don't know, $35, $37 a piece for filters. And you put one of these on there, you don't have to spend as much. And it fits right in there. It's all installed. We just got to put the cover on it. Like I say, in the next few weeks, I will do some follow-up. The reason I agreed to it, I didn't do it for make the engine go faster. That ain't it at all. It's just ease of maintenance and cut down some of the maintenance costs. Get all these snaps back on here. One's always over here. Is always a bear to get to. There you got it. All right, there it is. Like I say, over the period of the next couple weeks, I will do a follow-up video. We'll be doing a follow-up video on it. Not in camera much, my nose is running. So, let's see how it works out for me. I'm back. So, we'll just see how it works out next few weeks and see if it's worth it. I'm thinking it will be, because I go through a lot. I went through, which isn't too bad, I guess. I went through 3 filters. You know, at $35, that you do the math. And I've seen them listed cheaper than that. I think you can get them from eBay too. But I was going right to the dealer, being the Polaris guy that I am. You know, figure I'd go to Polaris, and because I got a Polaris ATV and get it from them. Well, I'm sorry, I keep coming off camera on you. I'm picking up stuff a little bit, but it seems to be, sometimes you get Polaris stuff a little cheaper on eBay or Amazon, someplace like that. And like I say, I will post a link to where I got them from, and they're basically they're on eBay. But if you want to go there, you can, and you can get your stuff from them directly. But I gave you the name of the company. Just feel free to go on over there, hit them up. There's no promo codes. And speaking of promo codes, nice segue into it. If you go to my video for my lights, my mirrors that light up and all that, or flash, and you want to get a set of them, go to what I'm doing, just wiping this down a minute before I close it up. Go to my video from Kimimoto, and there's a discount code till November the 30th. You can get 10% off the mirror. And the mirrors right now, I looked them up on their website, are about $109. So take 10% off. That's pretty cheap. That's pretty cheap for a set of mirrors. So, and they're the same ones I got. So they're $109. So if you want to get a set, just go to the Kimimoto website and use a promo code, which is on. I got listed. I got to make this official. Listed there. Then you can get them. Get them really cheap. So. All right, I think I got him. I've got one more to get off, too. There it is. There. Now it's official. So there it is. That's where I get all the stuff I got. So if you're new to my channel, please, as always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and connect with this channel. And I will see you on my next video. This one was just a quickie. I just clicked through one together. I figured I'd give you something. I always try to do videos on whenever I put something on the Ranger. So if you're new to my, like I say, new to my channel, like, subscribe, hit notification bell for future updates. And as always, I will leave you with this.